Hello everyone. My name is Bindia. I am from my January batch. Today I like to discuss about the Java technical topic, which is object lifecycle in Java. Java is first of all Java is a object oriented programming language, and in Java everything works on a object. So object is the main thing in a Java, and in any object oriented programming language, uh, object is a basic requirement of any object oriented programming. So so first of all, we discuss about the definition of a object. What is object? Object is a real world entity. Means just like if we see that we take a human being, then human being have a ears, eyes, nose, and hands. So that's we can take any real time example just like that. That is object is a real world entities, and it has some behavior. So object in a object, there are object life cycles. So first stage is the creation of object. So how object is created in Java? So by using a new keyword, we create an object in Java. So just like a class name of the object is equal to new keyword, and then the constructor, just like a constructor is called. Just like that constructor, after after creating a object by a new keyword, then we have to initialize the object. The initialize, then when we run the project, then it's constructor is created, default constructor is automatically created. That type uh, our object is initiated. So after that object creation, we can work on anything in a class. So after creation of object, there is a creation of object, initialization of object, then we have to destroy the object. So last stage is just destroying the object. So the object is stored in the heap memory. The object is stored in the heap memory. So if the object is are not in a use, or we doesn't have a use of the object further anymore, so then we the garbage collection comes into the heap memory, and it automatically destroy the object. Means it automatically delete the space of the object from the heap memory and clear the space. So when the object are not in a use, then in Java programming language, we doesn't require to delete the object, because in a heap memory it automatically deleted by the garbage collection. Because when once the garbage collection comes and clean the object and free up the memory space of the heap memory. So Java is in means object is stored into the heap memory, and when the object are not in a use, means there is no use of the object, or further we can't use that object, then the garbage collector automatically comes and clean this object and make a free space in the heap memory. So that's are the steps of the first. The object is created. So object is created using the new keyword. We require new keyword to create the object. So first is a class name, then name of the object, and it's equal to symbol, then new keyword, then the constructor is called. In this constructor, when the object is created, initiated when the object is called, when the constructor, default constructor is called when our object is initiated. And after the initiation of object, we have to destroy the object also when the object are not in a use. Then uh, why we store that object into the memory and use the memory space, rather than we have to remove that object and save our memory of the Java of our JVM. So Java have means object are stored into the heap memory. So when the object are not in a use, then the garbage collector comes once in a while and clean that place. When the object are not in a use further anymore, then it object are not in a use, then uh, why we store that object into the memory and use the memory space, rather than we have to remove that object and save our memory of the Java of our JVM. So Java have means object are stored into the heap memory. So when the object are not in a use, then the garbage collector comes once in a while and clean that place. when the object are not in a use further anymore, then it delete the space and it can free up the space of that object. So that's all about the object life cycle. So thank you.